Okay, so for my Google Earth project, we are going to be taking a look at an LA County school. Okay, here you see Los Angeles County, and we are going to be taking a look at a school that is located in the city of West Covina. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in on West Covina. We can take a look at the population there on the screen. We can take a look at the demographic here, 49% Hispanic or Latino, with a remaining percentage of Asian and white, a very, very small percentage of African American. Here you are, West Covina, from neighboring cities, Covina, Irwindale, Baldwin Park, and if we scroll over to the west, El Monte, and south is La Puente. Okay, so we're going to be focused on San Jose Charter Academy. Scroll right in for you. Now the population of the school is 1,230 students, and that ranges from K to 8th grade. Okay, and as it is a charter academy, students do have to apply to get in. And as of right now, there is a 300 student waiting list. It's interesting to note that the school demographics match the same of the community. So again, almost 50% Hispanic or Latino, and the remaining percentages Asian and white, with a very tiny portion, 1%, 2% maybe, of African American students. So next stop we have here, just going to take a look at the surrounding area. Okay, San Jose Charter Academy does assign each student and a MacBook that they get to take with them to and from school, which I thought was very interesting. However, when we talk about the technology gap from school to home, I recognize that I needed to add a stop on here for Wi-Fi. So if you take a look here, the Starbucks is located right here, and as a 6th grade student, walking that distance may be a little bit too far. The majority of the area surrounding San Jose Charter Academy is residential, so you do have quite a few homes, but they are not in a well-kept or well-maintained state. They do look sort of run down or dilapidated. So as a parent, I don't know that I'd want my child walking to Starbucks after school to do homework. But then again, as we've discussed in class before, it's really not a what I want situation. It's more of a what I have to do situation. So the next thing we're going to take a look at is the neighboring high schools. Okay, so most of the students that graduate from San Jose in 8th grade, in 9th grade, will either attend Bishop Amat, which is located to the south. Also here is Bishop Amat Memorial High School, okay, or will attend Edgewood High School, which is fairly close to the academy. You can see here, also almost within walking distance. Okay, so the next thing we're going to take a look at is activities or sports. So as you can see already highlighted, West Covina Pony Baseball League is located just to the north of the school, close to Edgewood High School, and again, might not be within walking distance, but as we stated before, as a I have to basis, not a I want to basis. The next facilities are resources available to the students. Okay, we'll take a look at the West Covina Public Library. Okay, so here, this, if in reference to the school, is very far. There is no way that a child is going to be walking that. It would be a bus or a parent to drop them off. Okay. Next, we have the West Covina Plaza Mall or Shopping Center. Okay, and this is the usual hangout spot on the weekends. The kids tell me they'd have a parent or family member drop them off there in a group, and then pick them all up at a specified time in a group as well. There's also a couple of movie theaters. There is a what's called Sky Zone, which is a big trampoline park that the students say that they frequent. Now, there are some other places that are community center and parks available to the students. However, again, in proximity to the school are very far. So let's take a look at Cameron Park Community Center, okay, which is located to the east. Okay, and again located near another school, okay, Cameron Parks Elementary. And there is also West Covina High School here. Okay, so let's zoom out though, so I'll give you a perspective, okay, to see where San Jose Charter Academy is located and where the community center is located. Okay, again, not an easy task unless it's a weekend and nobody's working. Okay, next let's take a look at Cortez Park, which seems to be one of the biggest and best parks listed in the city. It does have a number of baseball fields and soccer fields. So this is where the community or rec leagues are played. But again, to stress how far away this really is, I just can't stress that enough. And then let's take a look at Gulfster Wilderness Park, which seems to have some really great hands-on activities for students of all ages, but again, not accessible to students K through 6 or K through 8 without a parent, guardian, grandma, friend, somebody dropping them off. Okay, so there you have a full rundown of San Jose Charter Academy and the areas surrounding it, resources available to students, and again, the issues with proximity of those resources. Thank you.